Hey there everyone, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to draw a perfect circle, just like this one here. What you need to draw a perfect circle is just a pencil, your hand and a piece of paper. So let's draw this together. I just love to help people when they have issues when it comes to drawing and they stuck at the moment. So I am so happy to help you guys, to give you some tips in drawing. And please let me know if this tutorial was helpful. Then write it down in the comment section or leave a thumb up, or just let me know what you think about this video. And maybe you want to see more videos like this, then please let me know. And I would like to see you in my next episode. So if you want, you can just watch another video like this one or this one. You can click at one of these links if you want. Don't be shy. Maybe this one? Or maybe that one? Or subscribe right here.